One district, 3 priorities, one shared purpose. As we begin the 2026-2027 school year, Diamond Lake School District 76 is moving forward with a clear purpose: to embrace, empower, and excel each child each day. Our district goals are centered on 3 priorities that we have coined our 3 Ps: professional learning communities, positive behavior intervention supports, and presence. Together, these priorities strengthen learning, support the whole child, and create schools where every student feels connected and ready to learn. Our first priority is the continued growth of professional learning communities, or PLCs. When educators collaborate, they study student learning, and share effective practices, every classroom becomes stronger. This year, staff will receive dedicated time, resources, and professional learning to strengthen collaboration and develop shared, common formative assessments. These assessments will help teachers understand what students have learned, identify where additional support may be needed, and respond with greater focus and consistency. Our second priority is positive behavior intervention and support, or PBIS. Students are more successful when expectations are consistent and adults respond with care and purpose. CHAMP structures will continue across all of our schools and provide clear expectations for student behaviors. We will also strengthen our Tier 2 systems so that students who need additional behavior or social and emotional support receive timely and effective assistance. Our third priority, presence, means so much more than just attending school. It means feeling welcomed, valued, supported, and connected. We will strengthen attendance systems while helping every classroom and school become a place where students experience a genuine sense of belonging. Throughout this year, we will explicitly support students' social and emotional learning, their attendance, their school climate, communication, student voice, and extracurricular involvement. This information will help us recognize progress, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions that keep students at the center of our work. Our goals represent a shared commitment among students, staff, families, and our community. Together, we will create meaningful learning experiences, strengthen relationships, and help every student succeed. This is how we will, in Diamond Lake School District 76, embrace, empower, and excel each child, each day.